Assalamualaikum, my name is Sharifah Nur Aisyah, binti ANUAR, S71364. I am a second year student in degree and accounting, and today I will show you on how I key in the data of accounting information system individual assignment that already given by Dr. SYAHIDA binti ISMAIL. Okay, I will first create and then the query design, and then I will take the inventory, and then I will take the item ID, descriptions, and quantity on hand. And for this part, I will put the quantity on hand, which is more or equal to 100. And then I will just go on run and click it as a questions, then create the query design. Then I will take the sales inventory, invoice, item ID, and then the quantity, sales price, and put the invoice as criteria 103. And then I will just go on run, and that's the question B. And then I will create and then query design, and I will put the customer and sales. These two I will connect it with the customer ID. And then for the field, I will put the customer ID, customer name, and also the salespersons, which is I total up all three of them as group by, and the salesperson criteria as Martinez. And I will just click run, and here it is, the question C. Then I will go to create and query design again. And then I will take the customers and sales and connect it with customer ID, and then I will take the invoice, sales date, customer name, and then the amount, which is the amount I will put on descending, and the criteria is more than 1,500, and click on run. And this is the questions D. And then I will create and query design for the sales inventory and inventory, and connected the item ID. And then for the field, I will put invoice, item ID, descriptions, list price, sales price, quantity. And then for this part, I will go to Zoom and key in the formula, which is bracket sale price, bracket, and again times with bracket quantity, and close the bracket here. And then I will go to OK, and then for sale price criteria, I will put this thing, and then brackets, list price, and then for the sales price and for the list price, I will put the same symbol, and then this, and sale price. And then for this one, I will just click on run, and here is the question E. And then I will go create query design, then take the sales and sales inventory, and also inventory. I will put this here together with this, and here with this. Here for the clear visions. And for this question F is actually I will take the invoice, and then the item IP, sale price, quantity, and then for this part I will put as zoom, and I will key in the formula again as sale price minus with the standard cost, and then close the bracket, and then this part and brackets, and again sale price minus it, this part, and then I will just go to OK, and then I click on descending here, and the invoice I will put on ascending, and here I will put on run, and here I will expand it so we can see the number, and save it as F, and then I will create an query design again. For these questions I will put the sales and sales date, but the sales date I will change it as using the zoom and number of sales. I will change it as number of sales, and then I will take also this part, and then I will go to zoom as I will type months, which is this, and then that sales here, exclamation marks, and then the sale date, and here, and then I will just click OK, and then I will put it on, I will put it, these two, the sorts are not needed, but I'll have to total it as both of them as group by, but this one I won't be on tick, and I'll go to run, and here is the answer for G. And then for create the query design again, oh, I'm sorry, I think I answered this one as H. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, I will. This is the answer for, actually this answer is for H, but I put it as G. Never mind, I will put the number on the G as H. I will put it as sales and sales inventory, and also inventory. And then this tree I will put invoice and item ID, and then for the field I will put invoice, sales date, item ID, sale price, and then quantity, Yep. This one I will put as quantity, and then here I will put as zoom, and then I will keep in the question here, and then sale price, close the bracket, and minus with standard cost, and then close the bracket, and then times with bracket quantity, and that's all for this part. And then I will put on sending, and here is the question for this. And then the sending here, and then for this part I will put on ascending, and then I will just go to this part. Oh my god. On this part I will put here, oh I'm so sorry I didn't click it, and then I will go to run, and this is the question for actually G. Just now is H, this is G1. And then for the questions, this part I will put it as the question I, which is I will take it as customer, and then I will take both of the state, and then I will go to, oh my god, I'm so sorry, I have to make a new one. For this part, and then I will go to create inquiry design, tables, customer, and then state, and state again. The total as one is group by, and then one is count, and then the criteria is AZ, and then I will just click on run, and here it is the question for I. And then for this part I will go to create and inquiry design. For this I will go to table, the customer, the state, and customer name, and go to total, group by, and then this part I will go to counts, and then this part I will put it as ascending and run. Here is the answer for J. And then for key questions I will put the query design, then I will take the table as sales, and then salespersons and amounts, and then I will put it as total, and then this part I will change it as sum, then I will put it as descending, and then I will just go click on run, and here is the answer for K. And then I will, for the last question, I will create query design, and then the tables I will take the inventory and sales inventory, click on this part, connect these two, and then on the field I will take the item ID, descriptions, and then for the total, so here I will take the sales. And then for this part, I will go to zoom and then just put it as this. I will put it as total. So first this, and then here, and here, sales, inventory, then close the bracket, the exclamation marks, and then here again, and quantity here, and then I will close the brackets, and OK, and sort. I don't think I have to change it, but the total I have to group by, and then for the last one is expressions, and then I will put it in ascending, and then I will just click on run. Oh, I'm so sorry, I accidentally forgot to put here as total sold here, and then I will put the count. I'm so sorry for this part, and then I will put OK and correct. That's how I got for the last question, SL, and that's all from me.